In the dark pages of Hindu mythology, Bakasura, the crane demon, spreads terror. A monstrous, bird-like creature with a razor-sharp beak, he was the mother of Putana and Aghasura, and a loyal servant of the tyrant King Kamsa. Sent to kill the divine child Krishna, Bakasura disguised himself as a giant crane and waited among the trees near Vrindavan. When Krishna approached, he struck. His beak opened wide. He swallowed Krishna whole, but the boy inside was no ordinary child. In moments, Krishna tore the demon apart from within, slaying Bakasura and saving the villagers. Legends say Bakasura also demanded food, even human sacrifices, terrorizing villages wherever he flew. But with Krishna's divine power, his reign of fear came to a swift and brutal end. This is the tale of Bakasura,